Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I like to vlog travel, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants all over the world, really. Today I have for you Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box, and there are two ways that you can do it. I think if you are a new member, you have to pay the $20 a month styling fee, and then that just gets subtracted. If you make a purchase, then the $20 styling fee gets subtracted from your purchase. And if you buy all the items in your box, then you get an additional 25% discount. I, however, have the Style Pass, which is $49 a month. I'm sorry, $49 for the entire year, and you get charged the $49, and then it is good to use for the entire year. So if you get your first box after you're charged the $49 and you don't like something in that box, you don't have to worry about the $49 expiring for a year. And then of course the $49 is applied to your purchase whenever you do make a purchase within that year. So with that being said, we are going to get on into Stitch Fix. Now, this is going to be difficult. Why is it going to be difficult? So with Stitch Fix, you get 5 items, and they can be clothing items, they can be jewelry pieces, they can be shoes, and you have a profile that you fill out. Whether or not they actually listen to your profile, you know, some people say they do, some people say they don't. But for instance, I have no jewelry selected for my profile. And I only ask for shoes once in a while. I'll ask for purses once in a while, but on my style profile, I say that I don't want those things unless I specifically ask for them. This fix should be date night dresses. Usually when I get my Stitch Fix, I gear it toward date night dresses. Sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. I did have a stylist for almost 2 years, and something happened. I don't know, I think she fell off her rocker and bumped her head, but she all of a sudden started styling me really poorly. And I went through like 3 fixes with her that were just really, really bad. So this is a new stylist. I've been working with this stylist, I believe this is my 4th Stitch Fix with the new stylist, and she's done pretty good. I mean, it's been hit or miss, but it hasn't been too bad. So you open your box and it looks like this. You have your returnable package thingy that you just put all the stuff in and you stick it in the mail. And then you have, woo, things are falling out. You have your clothing burrito. That went well. Anyway, so I have 5 dresses in here. And then it also comes with your price sheet. So it tells you what you get, and it also has the prices. Then you also get a little style card. So you get a little note from your stylist, and then it shows the dress or whatever the item is that you get, and then it shows you different ways to style them. I don't know if I'll put the style cards up in the video. I usually don't use them, but I will take a picture of my note so that way you can see what the stylist got for me. Alright, let's get into trying these things on. This is the Madewell Texture and Thread short sleeve dress in olive. It's a size small for $88. I think this dress is really super cute. I love the texture. I love the detail in it. I love how it's a faux wrap dress, and then it has this cute little tie detail. I think it fits really nice in the back. And I just really like this dress. I think the color looks great on me. I think it fits really nice. No, I like it. It's my style. So I will most likely keep this, but of course I'll come back at the end and let you know what I keep. This is the Julie Dillon Lady Faux Wrap Dress in green. It's a size 4 petite and it costs $78. So this is also a faux wrap style dress and it wraps around. It has these really bright colored stripes that generally I would go toward, but I'm just not feeling this dress. In the back, it wraps around and it does tie, but I just really don't like the way this looks on me. I don't know if it's the material or what is going on, but I don't like the way it makes my, I guess, back fat exaggerated. And I'd have to worry about this falling down. If it does fall down, you can actually see how my back fat is exaggerated. I don't like that. So I'm probably not going to get this dress. So here we have the Calvin Klein dress, Nadia Faux Wrap in black, and it's a size 4 for $88. I do like this. I don't know, my stylist must have had a thing for the faux wrap, this fix, but this is really cute. It has the nice white trim. It has the 3/4 sleeve. It is the faux wrap style, and then it has this tie. Ties all the way around the back. I do think this is cute. As you can see, it is more of a high-low style of dress. I think this is cute. This is an option. So this is a Gal Meets Glam collection, and it's called the Hillary Texture Light Purple, and it's in a 4 petite for $168. I think it's cute. I just don't think it's right for my skin tone. I'm so pale, and I think that this shade just kind of washes me out a lot more. It does have this really cute shoulder detail, and it has, I don't know what you would call these little dot detailing. It has these cute little buttons. They're faux buttons down the front, but it is really tight. I feel like it's smushing my breasts. I also feel like it's really tight right here at the seam. As you can tell, it does kind of accentuate my back fat just a little bit, so that just tells me that it's too tight. It's nice and flowy. It doesn't feel like it would be too hot. It feels like it would be nice and airy, and then for the summertime, but I just don't think that this dress is for me. I think, I don't know, I think overall it would be my style, but I think that I would need to not only size up in this, I would also probably need a different color. So here we have the Collective Concepts Tiggy dress in black. It's small for $74. I think the detailing in this is really cute. I love the print. I'm not sure what type of print this is. I would say maybe leopard print. But it has a cute little keyhole right here in the front. And then it has the ruching at the neck, has the ruching back here as well. And I don't know, this is definitely my style. I do like this dress. So I will definitely be considering this dress as well. Okay, so I have decided that I am going to keep this Collective Concepts dress, the Tiggy dress, for $74, and I'm also going to keep the Madewell dress that is an olive for $88. I think both of these dresses really complement my style. I will put the little cards up in the corner just to remind you which ones they were and the prices. Quick math. So that will cost me $162. I'm not buying all 5, so I'm not getting a discount. Had I had bought all 5, my order subtotal would have been $496, and then my buy all discount of 25% off would be minus $124, which equals $372. But then you also have to pay tax, right? Stitch Fix, yes. With Stitch Fix, you have to pay tax. So that is what I'm keeping for this fix, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.